How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be just whistling with our lips. No hands today. Again, this is whistling practice. It's a chill video. Do not get upset if you cannot whistle. It takes time. That's why I keep making these whistling videos so we can practice together and you guys eventually will get it. So let's get started. 10 seconds whistling. We'll take a break. Video will be 5 minutes long. So let's get started right now. So that's the first set. When you're whistling, the key is lip position and tongue position. So when I'm whistling, this is where my tongue is. That's how my tongue is. My tongue is pushed against these teeth like this. And then all you do is you close your lips like this. So like this. Just like that. Lip position. You want your lips to be as tight as possible, like this. You don't want to do this. None of that. And that's literally all there is to it. It's pretty simple. What I've noticed when I learned how to whistle is that I just could not get it over and over again. I try, I wouldn't get it. Then all of a sudden, just like that, boom, I got it. And then it was so simple to do. So you guys, that'll happen to you too. So yeah, that'll happen to you. You'll try to whistle, you won't get it. Then all of a sudden, boom, you'll get it, and you'll be like, wow, how did I do that? And then you'll just do it over and over again, and voila, you will learn how to whistle. But again, if you can't whistle right now, it either has to do with tongue position or lip position. In my case, or what I think most people struggle with, is lip position. Again, you need to be in this lip position. Just like that. And again, it's not like this. When you're doing this, you kind of want to tuck in your top lip a little bit down like this. Just like that. Do another 10 seconds. So again, keep practicing along with me. Super chill, don't get upset, and eventually you will learn how to whistle. Trust me on that. 7th video of the day. I got 2 more vids after this and then I am done. Thank goodness my throat is very sore. I'm going to go to the store right away and pick up some Halls. I'm hoping they better have my flavor of Halls or I'm going to be super upset. If they don't have my flavor of Halls, I'm going to get Fisherman's Friends. I think those are pretty good too, but they better have my Halls. So we'll do another 10 seconds. Booyah, just like that. Or I don't know if I'll go to the gas station. Maybe I'll just chill and then when we go out later, I'll go there. That's probably what I'll do. I really don't want to go out there and get it, to be honest. Pretty lazy today. I gotta watch my Netflix series. My show's getting really good, so I gotta watch that when I'm done. Again, 2 more videos. Should be done at around 9 o'clock, 9:15. So yeah. Took me about 2 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes. Will take me 2 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes to make 9 vids. That's really good. Generally, it takes me 3 hours to make 9 vids. 10 more seconds, then we're done. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.